Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. And then warrant mabasa-ke u-warrant officer uklema ukuthi yena i-gold tooth le ayibonayo ngoba uyamtshela umnisi ukuthi listen, akusho ukuthi if everything is glittering it's actually gold. Wawubonani umthetho wakho? Cabanga guys. Hayibo guys, umabasa manje is acting like a victim uma sebembuza ukuthi hayibo bhuti wena igolide mhlambe walibona kanjani in accused number 3's mouth ngoba amazinyo amhlophe. What I know just nje ngabona gold ukuthi the teeth are white but ngase ngibona ngathi kuyakhanyanyana mhlambe it was pale white ngale ndlela yokuthi wabona itithi phazi ngicabanga ukuthi gold. I'm just like yabona this guy ufuna ukuzifaka nje kumnisi asixabanisele umnisi honestly. And guys, umnisi mesembuza ukuthi what does gold look like, it's like he is gaslighting him. Uyabona manje ukuthi it doesn't come right. Umabasa aphendule athi gold looks goldish. Hayi naye lo baba. Guys, this is so sad for Baluya. Yabona this weekend uBaluya I think uzohlalela kwakhe ngaze aphumelela ngisho naphandle. It's just like ngicela ukuthi singamthatha uDr Sibanda nalo warrant officer. I umabasa Shem actually is a wrong guy. They should have chosen someone else. It's not working, guys. Like, it's so bad. I'm sure umabasa is just like, labantu bebengilethela ini mina la ngoba vele I can't do this. It's so crazy for him. Umnisi sebukisa ngayi, guys. Hayi besezenzela. Emdonsa. He was basically dragging the guy. Hayi bese kuyisono, guys, eh? And he's just messing up with Mabasa's credibility. Advocate Charles Mnisi, guys, in another level. Egwenye angazi omunye umhlaba ongekho la. I'm just like kodwa kosamenzeni no baba abantu. And umnisi wamtshela ukuthi ene you did edit this photo, uthi ene I didn't edit it, and then uyafakaza no ratso ufakazana, guys, ezobethi ene no. When did you edit it? Because I'm sitting here, I can see you didn't edit it. I urata guys masa ayekufakaza intangazaza. Okay, yeah. Kamala Rateli should fakazile. Rata is being now accused of editing. Rata. Guys, manje usethatha enye direction. uDr Sibanda sefunda into ezisinakho. Kodwa ngisho na last week ukuthi uDr Sibanda ubaba nomntwana. Usemfundisile uBaloyi, usembizi operator. Enuratu busy uthi hayibo lo muntu le prosecutor of the law. How would you call him that? He's like, yeah, it is the one who's been operating. Nangaba sabe operator ke let's get someone neutral. Because honestly, guys, it's not working out ukuthi uphakathi inside lo abathi uDr Ronnie Sibanda. Ukuthi nje is fiddling with those photos lo you just edit. Urata manje usethi NLC advocate Mnisi must bring his own operator now, guys. Kanjani? Ebemtshela ukuthi umuntu is busy fidgeting with these things there. uRonnie Sibanda is a skebengu of eskeleke of emgulukudu. Uyifundeni lezi zinto uRonnie is a skebengu, guys. What is he doing there? Busy operating izinto engekho right. And uyasho umnisi ukuthi ngeke mina ngisakwazi can continue actually because nangu umuntu busy fidgeting there. Manje mina how am I supposed to continue? I still want to continue and cross-examine. And uyambuza uRasu ukuthi do you want to continue? Uthi yes I can, but nangu umuntu nje. And guys, yazi ukuthi umnisi unayi right ukuthi angamthatha uSibanda as operator of the system to show these pictures if you feel ukuthi is manipulating the pictures, editing the pictures. Angenza noma yini umnisi, guys. I-right yakhe na uRasu is busy going enza these sizes zakhe ezibhorayo childish ngathi unesarcasm and a gaslighting on top of it. Ezobethi yazi uthi uSibanda uyafidlisha. Kurotho. Hayi guys, kodwa lento leyo ukuthi manje uBaloyi nomntana wakhe uDr Ronnie Sibanda they gonna be doing this now. This is desperation, guys. Kuze xashana kangaka ecourt and then azazasho no accused number 3 ukuthi he is not happy about the stuff that's going on there on the system where the pictures are. It's just crazy, guys. Like why would you be seeing like a person like that, guys? You can't be trusted. Hey. I guess buyeleni kumabasa ke guys negolide lakhe and how he sees gold. Yo, after Mnisi emdregile. So now basethi uMnisi ngicela ungibonise ukuthi ene yini nje into gold la ekhotha uMnisi nabe sedlala ngalo baba abantu asayi. And obviously you know how Rata is. Rata is going to interject, guys. Guys are too low Rata. And then that is why he comes off as biased. uRatha. Uyayibona leyo nto ungathi manje ubuyele futhi again ku-state akazazi ukuthi umephi. Yabona lento kaRatha of ukuthanda ukuthi interjecting when people are talking. That's why I felt actually sengizombiza uFakazile manje ngoba uFakazi nezinye izinto ezingangeni nowhere angazazi nawe ukuthi ukhuluma ngani kubona. And then the next thing ne-answer yokuthi yini eGold la ecourt embuza uMnisi. Azange sayithola i-answer yalokho ngoba ubhizi uRatha uyaconfuse and uMnisi akazithandi lezo zinto. He said it before uMnisi ukuthi akafuni ukuthi ulobele ungenelela. Can you just finish because then naye akasazi. Yikubona leyo nto le ngoba kuningi guys. And umabona manje ubabasa ukuma-ferries like wenze make believe manje ukuthi sithi hayi okay kusho ukuthi awubonanga kahle-ke wena ucabanga ukuthi iGold. And at the same time futhi uMabasa comes across as a person ongayazi iGold ukuthi athi goldish. Is there anything like that guys? Hayi uMabasa is just an embarrassment and I just feel ukuthi ngabe ngazange khothi uMabasa. Ngabe uvele wabatshela no actually mina I'm done. Ngibopheni then once. I can't do this me. Kuyahluleka. Nokuthi uzozenza inhlekisa uzodlala u-advocate Charles Mnisi and his evidence this guy and his testimony is it's not helping us. How is it helping us? Ngoba izwakala into eshoyo this guy. Akasazi manje ubambekile. He cannot even differentiate uGold. Angamazi uGold. Like besides ukuthi some people vele are colorblind in life and it's fine. But this situation is beyond me. And what's crazy is that wena Mabasa wasitshela nge-Gold Tooth. Manje you can't explain it. Like uthini kahle? You know this Gold Tooth thing for estate, it has actually destroyed them. It's not working out, this thing. It's not working. And I think Ubaloyi at the back of his mind, when they tried to gather this whole story Gold Tooth, they thought it was going to work again here. It's not going to work, this thing. They are just too desperate and it's just not working out. Atumnisi, what else did you observe? Guys, everything that I'm doing, you noticing every move. That is good. Guys, is there anything like that? No, it's fine actually. Thank you for that. Sabanga guys, I'm just like hi guys, kunzima. Warrant officer Mabasa is the same person who can't differentiate between a memory stick and a memory card. Hey guys, but I really don't get it. Guys, I'm still gonna review later everything that happened. These were just the highlights. Bese kuba lo mgulukudu lo Dr. Sibanda. Sisazoqhubeka futhi nanaye and how now umshololo benonxumana lapho with inside phakathi trying to help out uMnisi about the selfies now. Ukuthi selfie ngaba kanje uRatha ufuna bezwe yena ukuthi no i-selfie mawukuthi uJonas interpret ume ngapha izoba like honestly uRatha know it all. Mkhahleng hayi uyabhora. So qhubeka later guys, thank you so much.